Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to teach you how to change language in Tantan app. First of all, make sure you have already installed the app. In order to change the language in Tantan app, first of all go to the setting of your iPhone. Now scroll down. Scroll down until you see the Tantan app. Once you see the Tantan app, click on it. At the end, you can see preferred language, and the selected language is English. Now you can choose any language like Korean, Chinese, Indonesian, Japanese, and others. This is how you change language in Tantan app. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.